tumba yung isa kong rod. May biting daw. Yeah. This is the big one, I think. Yeah, this one is good, Baba. Yeah. Lumalaban. Oh, it's 2 again. Family. Yes. Uy, grabe. Ang daming isda ngayon. See again. It's 2. Big. Nice, huh?
Today you are too much
Yeah.
lucky.
It's more fish here. I stay there, but nothing there. Oh my God, guys. Dalawa ulit to. Nakaapat na ako. So what, same size, no?
Because I'm coming too much lucky you.
Yeah. You are lucky. May kagat. May kagat. Dalawa. Two fish. Yes. Yeah, very nice.
Very nice.
Two fish.
One is too much big.
Yeah, the other one is big. Yeah. Ayos. Biting ng mga idol. Daming isda dito sa ilalim. Puro sibling, oh. Oh. Pagtahimik talaga, no? Daming isda eh. Sa kabila sila. Ayoko dun. Ilang isda dun.